How to use an AGBAY. Hello and welcome to Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm Yvette, your host, and today we're going to show you how we like to use our AGBAY. So leveling your cakes just got a whole lot easier when you use an AGBAY blade. Yes, they are an investment, but they have saved us so much time. We use it every single week in our business. Now we like to place our blades at 1.5 inches high, and we always check it with the spirit level before we slide it through our cake. So place your cake in front of the blade and slowly move the blade through your cake. Continue to cut your cakes into layers. After you're finished cutting your cakes, clean and dry the blade. Place the protective cover onto the AGBAY, positioning it from the back of the blade. Slide the lock into place to secure it. You can purchase your AGBAY from Caker's Warehouse, and if you use our discount code Enchanted10 at checkout, you'll also save 10% on all your supplies. So happy shopping, everyone! Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.